Hello everyone. I am having a event, and whenever I have to decorate or whenever I decide to decorate doing an event, it's usually quite quite therapeutic. It's I just love decorating. It's a pleasure. And so I just came up with this DIY, and this is going to be one of my floral arrangement for it's going to be a centerpiece. I'm going to have this arrangement in the on the table, and it's going to be a few of them along with other arrangements. I did let's see, this is another one I did with a very inexpensive hydrangeas. I actually, just was pull these together. I put these paper grass underneath there, and so it's going to be a few other arrangements. But I want to show you this quick DIY trick. And so I got these succulents, and they were very inexpensive, probably $1.25 each, and so they're a little too long for what I want to do, and so I'm going to cut them with my knife and just to shorten them. Some of them have wires. They come, and this one here actually have a little wire. Some actually don't. Actually, it does. Okay, great. So let me just finish. Yep. Okay, so it makes it a little shorter. And then these foam balls, these are Floral foam. Got these. They come in a pack of $3, a little over $1. And so I cut it, slice it, and then I end up with just half of it. And I'm gonna put it in here because I want to sit it in like that. But what I do first is I'm going to put it down in there like that. And then I put these, very inexpensive as well. So I put them in there, and already it looks good, but you want to hide the foam. So I want to put these beads. These are beads, very inexpensive beads. I'm going to pour them in just enough that I see that it's going to fill up enough to hide the foam. And these are blue, green, and so you've seen them all in different stores. And voila! Just shake it and add it. As I'm going to add a little more, but yeah. And so this is, it's going to be one of the. There's actually some more here. Cover it a little more. And there you go. Look at that. So beautiful. My theme is, these are the colors that I like. I like light green, kind of like mint green. I like royal blue. And these, look at there. I love it. I love it. And this is the other one. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at there. And so I just wanted to show you guys, inexpensive ideas that you can, you don't have to pay for. If you want, you can. You don't have to pay for someone to come and do your arrangement. You can do it on your own. There's so many great ideas over there. I have my other setups. So, yeah. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and yeah, I just love doing this. Thank you.